So the European Football Championship just ended. Spain won, and now the internet is full with new best of clips. Not all of them are in the best quality though. Or you recorded clips yourself from afar and they didn't turn out really great. Either way, in today's quick video, we're going to enhance the quality of these clips. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Let's just get right into the task. Before everything, you'll need the UniConverter, so if you don't have it, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. It's available for both Windows and Mac computers. Then create yourself an account and choose a plan or start using the free trial version. The first thing you'll need to do is get your video clips onto your computer. Maybe these are clips that your friends sent to you or you recorded them yourself. Either way, simply transfer them via Google Drive or WeTransfer or via a USB cable. You can also explore the channel for methods. So when you have the UniConverter open, click on the AI Video Enhancer tool. In this tool, we can enhance the videos in three ways. We can reduce noise, we can interpolate frames, and then we can upscale them. The noise reduction does exactly what the name suggests, reduces noise, but we don't need that for these videos. The frame interpolation basically adds extra frames into the video, which will give a smoother look, and you can then use slow-mo effects while working with the videos. The AI Upscaler will pretty much add extra pixels to the video, resulting in a higher resolution, meaning that the video won't pixelate on larger screens. So to use them, it's really simple. You can just select the one you'd like to use. Now the noise reduction doesn't have extra settings. However, for the frame interpolation and the AI Upscaler feature, you can set a 2x or 4x ratio, as you can see here. I think 2x is going to be enough for these videos. So let's perform frame interpolation and upscaling. Wait until the process is finished. Import your newly exported video by clicking on the replace files and then choose your settings for the interpolation and then click on export. Wait until the process is finished. Now let's look at the result. This is our video before and this is after. Awesome, right? Well, if you agree with me that it's awesome and you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any video requests, leave it in the comment section. But that's all for today. I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.